Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to today's stream. This is going to be my second stream for today. I have not ever went live twice in a day. This is going to be my first time, but I really do believe Bitcoin has huge potential to reach $100,000. Okay, and I want to catch that, right? I want to catch that moment when we see Bitcoin touching $100,000 for the first time ever in history, right? So I did, in fact, go live a couple of hours ago, around 6 hours ago, 7 hours ago, 6 to 7 hours ago. Okay, and I went live for almost 2 hours. Unfortunately, in that stream, we did we did not see a 100k Bitcoin. Okay, during that stream, I was hoping, fingers crossed, we were in fact going to see Bitcoin reaching 100k in that stream. Bitcoin, when I went live at that time, I went as high as $99,400, and when I saw that, I thought to myself, this is it, right? This is the moment that we all, in fact, have been waiting for. 100k Bitcoin is about to happen, but no, it just went straight back down. Okay, it's teasing us, guys, right? Bitcoin is teasing us. Okay, it really, really is. Even right now, right? Bitcoin is still teasing us. Okay, it really, really is. Like Bitcoin right now, it is so close to reaching $100,000. Okay, it really, really is, guys. Bitcoin at 100k, it is not too far off, right? It really, really isn't. But Bitcoin is just struggling right now. Okay, to break and reach $100,000. Okay, it really, really is. But hopefully, in tonight's stream, okay, we do in fact see Bitcoin reaching a new all-time high of $100,000 and much higher. So I don't know how long this stream is going to be. I don't know how long I will be going live, but hopefully this stream will be probably the longest stream ever. Okay, because I really want to see Bitcoin reaching $100,000. And hey, right, let's just say Bitcoin, let's just say, right, it doesn't reach $100,000 in tonight's stream. That's fine. Okay, that is completely fine. So I will be streaming till we see Bitcoin reaching $100,000. Okay, so I will most likely be streaming for a couple of hours. And then once Bitcoin reaches $100,000, as promised, I will bring out the red label, right, Johnny Walker, and drink with you guys, right? Hopefully, okay, to celebrate. Now, I am not a drinker, guys. Just to let you guys know, right? I already told you guys in last stream that, as promised, when Bitcoin reaches 100k for the first time ever, I will go ahead and drink. Okay, and yes, I am not a drinker, so I won't be going overboard, right? But anyways, let's talk about Bitcoin. There is, in fact, some Bitcoin charts that I do want to show you guys for tonight's stream. So here we are, guys, $98,800. We are in fact in the 1 minute time frame, and you guys can just clearly see what has Bitcoin done for the past few hours ever since last stream. Like I said, okay, we saw Bitcoin, okay, reaching as high as $99,400, okay, around this level right here, okay, at the time, right? That's when we saw Bitcoin, okay, reaching, $99,400 at the time, right, in my last stream. So at least we caught that, Bitcoin reaching a new high of $99,400. And then, of course, in the next few minutes, few hours, we did actually see Bitcoin reaching another new high of $99,500. Okay, so Bitcoin did actually go as high as $99,500, right? You guys can clearly see that. And ever since then, okay, Bitcoin has just been going down. Right, you guys can clearly see on the 1 minute time frame, even on the 15-minute time frame, okay, Bitcoin has formed this downtrend, right? And it went as low as $98,300, but it is going back up right now. So it is, we aren't flexing, sort of like a V-shaped recovery right now. You guys can clearly see that. Okay, we did see Bitcoin reaching a bottom, and now, okay, it is, bouncing back up to the upside. But right now, okay, it is slightly going back down. So who knows where Bitcoin will be heading in the next few minutes. But I really do believe in the next maybe few hours, like something big has to happen for Bitcoin, right? Something big has to happen, okay, clearly, right? And you guys can clearly see Bitcoin is forming this uptrend, right? You guys can just clearly see that, right? Right, you guys can clearly see that. Okay, it is in fact forming this very, very slightly uptrend. Okay, so I really do believe from here on, I think it's going to go much, much higher. Okay, and yes, 100k Bitcoin. Okay, this is the target that we are looking at, guys. Okay, this is the target that we are keeping our eyes on. Okay, 100k for Bitcoin, and it's about to happen. Hopefully by tonight. Okay, so that is that. And yeah, there is in fact, a fair few things I want to talk about. Okay, we're not just gonna look at the Bitcoin charts. Um, you know, wait for it to pump. We're gonna talk about some other things as well. So overall, yeah, the global crypto market cap still holding very, very well. Okay, 3.3 trillion. Okay, just below it right now, 3.29 trillion. And overall, the market tonight is up 3%. Past 24 hours, Ethereum is still holding very, very, very well, above $3.3 thousand. Solana still holding amazing as well. And we know, guys, Solana did, reach back up to its previous highs earlier today. And of course, it did reach a new all-time high, apparently. Okay, I will talk more about that later on in tonight's stream. And also XRP. XRP is still continuing to pump. And we know, obviously, right, like I mentioned in my last stream, the main reason why we are in fact seeing XRP pumping this much, okay, is because of Gary Gensler. Okay, we know Gary Gensler, okay, is officially resigning. Okay, he is no longer, okay, going to be the SEC's chairman. Okay, he's officially resigned. Okay, we already know this, but a couple of days ago we already heard about this. It was announced, but it wasn't confirmed. Okay, but today he did actually confirm it. He even posted it on his official X page that he was in fact officially resigning as the SEC's chairman on January 20th next year in 2025, of course, right? So that's one of the main reasons why we are in fact seeing XRP pumping, and it's almost at $1.50. It's been a very, very long time since we have seen XRP pumping even up to like $1, right? So it's about to reach back up to $2 very, very soon. It's looking amazing right now for XRP, and soon enough it can go back up to over $3, right? Its previous all-time highs back in 2018. We will see, but it's looking amazing right now for XRP. Okay, it really, really is. Okay, it's gaining back a lot of momentum. So XRP is free, Ripple is free, obviously, right? Gary Gensler is no longer the SEC's chairman. And yeah, this is looking very, very bullish right now for XRP. Okay, it really, really is. Now, getting back to Bitcoin, because this is the level that we want to watch, guys. Okay, 98.8. So it's slightly going back up. I'm going to leave it on the 1 minute time frame, see what happens. But it is going back up. Okay, so yeah, XRP is up over 30%, 32% right now. Looking beautiful today for XRP. I know a lot of XRP holders are in fact very, very happy right now, of course, with XRP. Okay, it's looking absolutely amazing. There's a lot of hype with XRP nowadays. Okay, I feel like. And as you guys know, right, a few days ago, I personally did sell my XRP to buy more Bitcoin. I sold majority of my XRP to buy Bitcoin. Do I regret that? Honestly, I don't. Okay, because I told you guys many times, I'm not a huge fan of XRP. Okay, when I see opportunities to trade it, that's exactly what I do. And I saw that opportunity, so I just sold it and I bought more Bitcoin. Okay, and yeah, and you guys understand, when I bought that Bitcoin, right, Bitcoin was like below, well below $98,000. I think it was around 92, 93. Okay, so I don't have any regret, selling my XRP to buy more Bitcoin. Okay, at the time, like 5 days, almost a week ago. Okay, I don't have any regret at all, right? And like I said, I still have a bag of XRP, right? I did sell majority of it, but I still have a fair bit of XRP. Okay, and I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. I'll probably just let it ride, right? Because it seems like XRP is looking pretty good. Like, look at the week, right? For the past week, it's up 76%. Okay, so it's looking absolutely amazing right now for XRP. Congrats to all the XRP holders out there, the XRP army, looking very, very strong right now. I know the community is looking amazing. I know they are happy. Okay, for sure. Okay, especially since Gary Gensler is no longer the SEC's chairman. Okay, so that is that. Dogecoin right now, 1%. Dogecoin is not really moving tonight. Okay, and it hasn't really, earlier this morning, but it is still holding very, very strong at 40 cents. Now, Cardano, ADA, right? We saw ADA earlier today pumping. It's still looking good today, right? Tonight, ADA is still looking absolutely amazing, right? And you just clearly see it's now at 90 cents and it's up 14% today. For the past week, it's up almost 50%. So Cardano, right, is looking absolutely amazing today. Okay, it really, really is, guys, right? Cardano is gaining back its momentum. Okay, it really, really is. It's about to, pump back up to $1. Can't wait for that, right? We all can't wait for that. Very, very exciting times right now for Cardano. And yeah, I do believe Cardano has huge potential to, reach back up to its previous all-time highs. I think that is very, very possible for Cardano. So keep your eyes on Cardano because I think that is very, very possible. Check out Stellar, so XLM. I know that altcoin has been pumping. Yeah, look at it, right? 25% today, right? And look at it, right? For the past week, it is up over 100%, 117% today, right? Stellar, okay, XLM has been looking amazing. Back in the day, guys, like in 2021, I remember buying this. I don't hold it anymore. And honestly, I'm glad I sold it because it dropped a lot, but it seems like it's gaining back its momentum right now. Okay, and look at this, right? For the past month, it's up over 200%. Yeah, this altcoin is pumping. Like, look at this, right? For the past week, it's up 100%. Past month, over 200%. Insane, guys. Right? Look at how much it has pumped. Wait, let's see its all-time high. Yeah, it's getting back its momentum. Do I regret selling it? Honestly, I don't. But it's looking pretty good right now for XLM. Okay, it really, really is. Polkadot, okay, like, yeah, it's up 6% today. Okay, but Polkadot, I feel like it's dead. Like, Polkadot has not really been moving. Like, a lot of altcoins, guys, you guys have to understand, right? A lot of altcoins in the crypto market right now is pumping. But Polkadot, even something like Polygon, right? I talked about this before, but I want to talk about it again because Polkadot and Polygon, they're not pumping, right? They have not really been moving for the past few months, right? We're not seeing huge momentum right now for Polkadot or even Polygon. And honestly, I'm losing a lot of faith with Polygon. I really, really am. And it says X Matic here. Like, what does that mean? They're not like in Matic anymore? It's just Polygon? Like, I don't understand what's going on with Polygon, guys. I really, really don't. Okay. But I just lost faith with Polygon. I'm very, very disappointed in Polygon. But yeah, altcoins are moving today, right? Altcoins are moving, guys. Okay, so keep your eyes on altcoins because altcoins are about to skyrocket. We know alt season is literally right around the corner. And what's funny, guys, right, is that yesterday, literally just yesterday, we saw Bitcoin moving like 5% and altcoins weren't really moving. Okay, but there was in fact one altcoin that was absolutely exploding and it was Bitcoin Cash. Yesterday, we saw Bitcoin Cash up like almost 20%, I believe. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I think it was almost 20% when I last saw it in yesterday's stream, right? But it was like up 20%. Okay, but right now it's down 2%, which is understandable, right? Like yesterday was up like pretty much 20%, and yeah, it's having a correction right now, small correction, nothing too crazy, but it is still up, guys. Like Bitcoin Cash has been pumping a lot, right? And it's just below $500. Okay, but yeah, yesterday, like I said, we didn't see a lot of altcoins pumping. But Bitcoin Cash was pumping. Solana yesterday, I remember it was up like 2%. But yeah, altcoins today, right, are moving. Okay, so that's a thumbs up. That is, a great sign that, alt season is gearing up for something big. This is just the beginning, guys, for alt season. Understand that, right? A lot of these altcoins, okay, L1s, L2s will pump, and meme coins. We know meme season, is right around the corner, guys. So be ready for that. Okay, because alt season is coming. Okay, and look at this, guys, right? The Fin Greed Index right now is in 94. And then, of course, it's in extreme greed, right? So the sentiment is looking pretty good, okay? Yesterday, we saw it at 82, which is insane, right? We saw it at 82 yesterday and it's jumped to 94, which is crazy, right? It's been a very, very long time since we have seen the Fin Greed Index sitting at 94, almost at 100. It's been a very, very long time, guys. And this is just a, clear signal that we are in fact in a bull run. And we already know, guys, like clearly that we are in fact in a bull run right now. Okay, Bitcoin is reaching new all-time high. Solana is reaching a new all-time high, right? Ethereum, don't worry. I know Ethereum hasn't really been moving, but don't worry, guys. Ethereum will reach back up to its previous highs and, of course, reach a new all-time high this bull run. Don't you guys worry, right? For all the Ethereum holders out there, don't you guys worry. Ethereum will eventually move. Okay, it's taking its time. Okay, let Ethereum breathe a little bit. You know what I mean? It will pump eventually, guys. Okay. But yeah, like Sui also is another altcoin that reached a new all-time high. So we know, guys, like we are officially in a bull run. We know that we are already in the next cycle, the next bull cycle. We are no longer in a bear market. Like the bear market was over months ago, right? And look at this, right? Last month, we were at 71 in greed mode. So it's been looking pretty good for the past few weeks, right? For the FinGreed index, okay, it's been extreme greed. So obviously this is a clear signal that we are in fact in the next cycle, guys. Okay, and look at this. Bitcoin monthly returns 40%, right? Not too bad. Moonvember is still here. Moonvember is still on track, guys. Okay, and look at this. September, right? I told you guys, when we have a green September, usually October, November, and December, usually Q4 in general, we're gonna see 3 straight green months, and that's exactly what's happening. Okay, and you actually clearly see back in September, right? We know usually in September is usually a very bearish time and month for Bitcoin and crypto overall. Not even just crypto, even the stock market and other markets out there, right? Usually September is just bad for a lot of markets. Okay, but you just clearly see it was in the greens, right? And it was actually one of the best, performing September ever for Bitcoin in Bitcoin history, right? Up over 7%, 7.3%, right? Back in 2016, we had a green September and it was up 6%. And that was the second best. Now it's up 7% for this year, 2024. So this was history, guys. We had, one of the best performing Septembers ever for Bitcoin ever for this year, 2024, right? So that's amazing to see. And of course, October, right? A lot of people were like disappointed for October. Okay, like we expected, Bitcoin to pump way more than just 11%. Okay, but understand, guys, look at it, right? It's up 40% right now for November. It seems like Bitcoin is, gaining back its momentum, right? Like what it was supposed to do. And you guys can clearly see December will be amazing as well. Understand that, guys, right? Because usually when we have a green September, what happens with Q4, what happens for the months of October, November, and December, we usually see it in the greens, just like, last year, 2023, even, okay, back in 2016, we had a green September, Q4 was in the greens. Same with 2015. September was in the greens, we had a green Q4 for 3 months straight. That's exactly what we're going to see for this time around. And who knows how much Bitcoin is going to pump next month? Who knows? It could be another 40%. It could be 50%. And understand, guys, we are only 22 days into this month of November. We still have just over a week left into this month. So who knows where we're going to end off this month, right? We could end off at 50%, over 50%, close to 60%, who knows, right? But it's going to be somewhere around there because Bitcoin, okay, once we see Bitcoin reaching 100K, it's going to moonshot, guys. Understand that, okay? Once we see Bitcoin touching 100K, and then we see a clear breakout from 100K, yeah, it's going to moonshot. I do believe $110,000 Bitcoin is coming. That's like going to be the next target after Bitcoin reaching $100,000, okay? And I'm about to show you guys some charts indicating that, yes, the next target for Bitcoin when we see Bitcoin reaching $100,000, it's going to be like $114,000, okay? So let's look at Bitcoin right now. Oh, okay. $98,600. It is going back down slightly, guys. Okay, remember we are in fact in the 1 minute time frame. Okay, but it is slightly going back down, but that's okay. Okay, that is okay, guys. Okay. If we don't see Bitcoin reaching $100,000 during tonight's stream, then that is completely fine. Okay, and I'm not gonna do this again, guys. Like today alone, I promise you guys when I say this, okay, almost all day today, I was just looking at the Bitcoin chart and I was hoping that we will eventually see Bitcoin reaching $100,000 so I can go live. So I went live later on today, a couple of hours ago, as you guys saw, like 7 hours ago. We clearly did not see Bitcoin reaching 100K. It was close though, at least, we caught Bitcoin reaching $99,400. Okay, so that was, a plus right there. Okay, but we didn't see the magical $100,000. So I ended that stream, and now 7 hours later, okay, I'm back, and hopefully in this stream, we will catch Bitcoin reaching that magical $100,000 that we all want to see as true Bitcoiners, right? This is the moment that we all, in fact, have been waiting for. And as promised, when we see Bitcoin reaching $100,000, okay, I will celebrate by drinking some Red Label. I think that's what we have. Okay, like I said, I am not a drinker, guys. Okay, I don't like alcohol. I don't like wine or anything like that. Anything to do with alcohol, I'm not a huge fan. Okay, I don't remember the last time I drank, guys. I think it was like all the way back in 2020, I believe. That's like the only time that I can think that was like the last time I drank. Okay, and it was during like Christmas time. That was literally the last time I had anything in my system with alcohol, right? So it's going to be a very long time, but I'm doing this for a special occasion, of course, right? Bitcoin reaching 100K, like this is history in the making. So why not drink, right? Why not? Okay. So yes, as promised, when Bitcoin reaches $100,000, I will go ahead and bring out some Red Label, right? Johnny Walker. I'll bring it out and I have a little sip every now and then. Okay, so that's that, just to celebrate. Okay, but we have to reach $100,000, guys. Okay, we have to. And yeah, like I said, if we don't see it during tonight's stream, then that is fine. Okay. But Bitcoin is struggling right now, right? It is struggling a fair bit, okay, to break out and reach 100K. It is struggling a lot. I thought like by this afternoon, like earlier today, a couple of hours ago, like 10 hours ago, I thought we would have seen Bitcoin reaching 100K, but apparently not. Okay, so yeah, 98.8 right now. Okay, still holding very, very well for Bitcoin. Okay, 1 minute time frame. Let's have a look. Okay, let's see if Bitcoin can go back up to $99,000. Okay, so yeah, look at this, guys. In the meantime, right, let's talk about this. Okay, someone just bought $330 million of Bitcoin. They now hold $2.5 billion in Bitcoin. Okay, is this, another nation state buying? Like, who knows, guys? But someone out there, okay, a whale, of course, is buying a whole bunch of Bitcoin. Okay, and this is coming from Binance, right? Like a hot wallet, right? You guys can clearly see that. Okay, someone is clearly buying a lot of Bitcoin for the past few days, even a few hours ago. Okay, so who knows who this is, right? Which whale this is, but they are buying a whole bunch of Bitcoin, guys. Okay, and we are already seeing a lot of whales out there, new whales. A lot of institutions have been buying a whole bunch of Bitcoin. The biggest one, BlackRock, with MicroStrategy / Marco Saylor, they've been buying a whole bunch of Bitcoin as well, right? ARK Invest, okay, CEO Cathie Wood, they've been buying a whole bunch of Bitcoin. A lot of countries out there are buying a whole bunch of Bitcoin. Everyone is just buying Bitcoin. They want a piece of Bitcoin. They are now understanding where Bitcoin is heading. And once Bitcoin is at $100,000, guys, you guys have to understand, once Bitcoin is at 100K, from there on, people will really pay attention to Bitcoin about, where Bitcoin is heading long term. Okay. I'm talking about, a lot of different countries out there will start paying attention to Bitcoin. A lot of major companies out there will start paying attention to, Bitcoin as well. Like, look at Microsoft. Okay. They are, thinking about buying into Bitcoin, right? So that's that. Very, very bullish right now. The future is looking very, very bright for Bitcoin. Okay, it really, really is. So yeah, someone is buying millions of dollars worth of Bitcoins for the past few days, even like a few hours ago, right? So you guys can clearly see that. Okay, who knows who exactly this is? It's not confirmed, but they are buying a whole bunch, hundreds and hundreds of Bitcoins. But yeah, getting into, the Bitcoin charts, as I told you guys many times, okay, Bitcoin with this Fibonacci retracement level, okay, you guys just clearly see this target clearly broke out $89,000, right? 89.1. We clearly break out of that. Okay, we are well beyond that. I feel like You know, when Bitcoin was reaching new all-time highs, like it went from like $74,000 reaching a high, new high, and then 77, right? And then like $80,000. And then I feel like from $80,000, it just jumped. Like we saw Bitcoin just jumping from $80,000 all the way to $90,000. Like we skipped 8K. That's honestly what it felt like. Because honestly, guys, I remember looking at the Bitcoin chart, and this was during the US election like week, right? When we had the US election during that week, it was insane, right? Like every single day we saw Bitcoin reaching a new high. I remember specifically that we saw Bitcoin at about $84,000. And I promise you guys, I went to bed, and then the next day, right, I woke up. Of course, I went on my phone, right? I went on my phone. And what do Bitcoiners do the first thing when you wake up? You look at the Bitcoin chart. Personally, that's what I do every single morning. That's the first thing I do. I just go on my phone and look at the Bitcoin chart. And what did I see? I saw at 89K Bitcoin. So Bitcoin for like 8 hours time frame, 8 to like 10 hours, went from $84,000 all the way to $89,000 in not even 24 hours. Just think about that. That's insane. So I felt like Bitcoin going from 80K to 90K, like we just skipped those 80K levels. Like it was nothing. It just skipped through it. It just pumped through it like it was nothing. And now Bitcoin is at what, 98 to 99K, and it's about to reach $100,000 very, very soon. So Bitcoin can move, guys. Okay. This is the bull run. Okay. I don't know if you guys have ever experienced a bull run, but this is what it is. And guess what? This is just the beginning. Okay. We haven't seen anything yet, guys. This is truly just the beginning of this bull run. Next year, 2025, will be a fantastic year for Bitcoin and crypto overall. Understand that, guys. This is just the beginning. Okay, we haven't seen anything yet. Things are about to be more epic. It's about to be more crazy, as I told you guys many times. This bull run will be the most epic and biggest bull run of our lifetime. Okay, we remember back in 2021, that was fantastic for Bitcoin and crypto. Even back in 2017, that was cool, right? Even all the way back from 2013, right? Those years, 2013, 2017, 2021, those years were fantastic for Bitcoin and crypto. Same thing is going to happen for the year 2025. So get ready for that, guys. Okay, buckle up for the year 2025. If you truly want to make money in this market, if you truly want to like build wealth and just make money, you better get in now, guys. And of course, this is not financial advice, right? It's not financial advice. You guys can do whatever you want. I can only just say it, right? But understand, guys, if you truly want to, make that money, okay, like make life-changing money, you got the next 6 to 8 months to really lock in. Okay, do something about it, guys. Right? Kids out there that are younger than me are making millions of dollars from meme coins. And that's why meme coins have been pumping recently, right? For the past few weeks, there's a lot of hype. Everyone's talking about meme coins, trading meme coins. And yes, it's true, right? Meme coins, okay, a lot of people are making a lot of life-changing money with meme coins. And that's why there's a lot of hype around memes recently. Okay, a lot of hype. Okay, so yeah, guys, the next level, okay, it's going to be $100,000, and then of course over $100,000. Okay, so looking at this perspective, okay, same thing, Fibonacci retracement level. Okay, next target, guys, is $110,000. As I told you guys many times, once we see Bitcoin reaching 100K, the next target is going to be $110,000. Okay, and you guys just clearly see that from this Fibonacci retracement level. Okay, $110,000. And I showed you guys this chart, right, earlier today in my most previous stream, right, a couple of hours ago. But yeah, you guys can clearly see 89.1. That was the target. We clearly break out of that like it was nothing. Okay, and yeah, the next target for the Fibonacci retracement level is $113,000, pretty much $114,000, which is going to be insane, guys. Like once we see Bitcoin reaching $100,000, it's going to skyrocket to over $110,000 at least. Just watch, guys. Okay, so let's have a look where Bitcoin is at right now. Okay, so Bitcoin is not really moving right now, 98.7, just below 98.8. But yeah, we'll see what will happen for Bitcoin. What else is there to talk about? There's this. So when will Bitcoin hit $100,000 in 2024? Okay, so Polymarket, the odds have been pretty high recently. Couple of days ago, I showed you guys like the chances of Bitcoin reaching 100k like this year in 2024. Before it was at around 61%. Now it's at 94%. Right? Look at this. Right, 94% chance that we will see Bitcoin reaching $100,000 in 2024. Clearly, right, we're about to see it reach 100k. Literally, it is not too far off from $100,000, guys. Right? You guys can clearly see that it is not too far off from 100k. Okay, it really, really isn't. So very, very soon, hopefully, fingers crossed tonight, we do see Bitcoin reaching $100,000. Okay, and if we don't, then that's completely fine. But yes, 94% chance, guys. And if you guys have been watching my videos for the past few weeks, even for the past few months, I told you guys many times my personal Bitcoin price prediction, where I see Bitcoin heading this year in 2024 before the year 2025. And I told you guys 100k, right? So you guys can clearly see my prediction is right. And a lot of people out there were in fact saying that Bitcoin, okay, we were in fact going to see Bitcoin reaching $100,000. So it seems like I was not the only one that was predicting this, okay, because we're about to see it reach $100,000 in the matter of a few hours, hopefully, right, by tonight. So yes, Bitcoin is about to reach it, guys. Okay, 94% chance. That is very, very high. Okay, and this is obviously very, very bullish for Bitcoin. And thinking about it now, we're about to see Bitcoin reach 100k. By this month of November, sometime this month in November, we're gonna see it reach 100k easily. Meaning, okay, before the year 2025, most likely we're gonna see Bitcoin much, much higher than $100,000. Meaning, yes, we could possibly see a $120,000 Bitcoin before the year 2025, right? Or maybe $130,000 Bitcoin. Who knows, right? But it can go much, much higher than 100k, just 100k. It can go much higher than that, guys. Okay, so we will see what will happen. Okay, I'm not saying that this will 100% happen for Bitcoin, but time will tell, guys. Okay, so that's that. But yeah, 94% chance for Bitcoin reaching $100,000 this year, 2024, is extremely high. Okay, so the odds of that happening is very, very high, guys. Okay, now look at this, right? A lot of people think, Bitcoin reaching 100k. I feel like a lot of people out there think like the top for Bitcoin this bull run is going to be like $150,000 to $180,000. But no, guys, that is not going to be the top. Look at this chart, right? Just look at this chart, guys. Clearly, you guys can clearly see the peak for Bitcoin is going to be like over 200k to even $300,000, right? When Bitcoin reaches 100k, it's not going to stop there, or even $150,000 to like 180. It's going to keep going up, guys. Please understand that. Okay, it's crazy to me that people actually think the top for Bitcoin is going to be like at 150 to 180. That's crazy to me, because it's going to go much, much higher than that, right? We're going to see Bitcoin reaching 200k. We're going to see Bitcoin reaching 220, 250, 280 to even $300,000 and higher, much, much higher, right? So understand the peak for Bitcoin, okay, it's not going to be at 150, like over 100k. I think it's going to go way higher than that. It's going to go beyond like 200k to even $300,000. Just you guys watch, okay? Because this is just the beginning, guys. What we are in fact seeing right now for Bitcoin, Bitcoin about to reach a new all-time high of $100,000. Like, this is just the beginning. Please understand that, guys. Right? Bitcoin is about to go much, much higher. So get ready for that. Okay, all my Bitcoin holders out there, get ready to see Bitcoin flying to over $200,000 to even over $300,000, maybe even 400k, maybe. Who knows, right? Who knows where the top will be for Bitcoin? For example, last bull cycle back in 2021, a lot of people out there were in fact saying that we were gonna see Bitcoin reaching 100k. For that cycle, that bull cycle. Clearly, we didn't see Bitcoin reaching $100,000. It went as high as 69k. It didn't even reach $70,000, right? So understand, when you see predictions, guys, these are just predictions, okay? No one out there like realistically knows where the top, where the peak is going to be for Bitcoin. And I could be wrong, right? Maybe we don't see a 300k Bitcoin. Maybe we don't see a 400k Bitcoin. Maybe we just see like a 200k plus Bitcoin. Who knows, right? So understand, guys, these are just all predictions at the end of the day, okay? But I'm trying to be, realistic with you guys, okay? And I feel like a lot of people out there, they are saying, we're going to see a 400K Bitcoin to like even a 500K Bitcoin, which as much as I am bullish on Bitcoin, I don't think that will happen this bull cycle. In the next bull cycle, that will easily happen. That will for sure happen for a 400K Bitcoin. But this cycle, I don't know. I just highly doubt that will happen. Okay, as much as I am bullish on Bitcoin, I highly doubt we're going to see a 500K Bitcoin. But we will just have to see, guys. Okay, so that is that. But yeah, look at this, guys. This is insane, right? So someone just moved 25 Bitcoins. That's worth $2.4 million. And they've been holding, right? Hodling, as I should say, for over 11 years. Okay, so they held from $90 to $99,000. This is what you guys called diamond hands, right? So someone out there who knows, okay, just moved their Bitcoins, right? 25 Bitcoins, okay, which is around $2.4 million right now. Okay, and they've been holding for over 11 years, guys, right? This is what you call diamond hands. And eventually this is going to be me one day, right? I'm not going to be, selling my Bitcoins anytime soon, guys. Please understand that, right? Like personally, like my plan, guys, back 2022 and 2023, my plan for, this bull run was to sell a majority of my Bitcoins and to reinvest it into real estate, okay, into properties. But thinking about it now, I realized that investing into Bitcoin, holding into Bitcoin, treating Bitcoin like it's your own savings account and, treating it like it has store value because it does, right? Bitcoin is truly the best asset out there to have store of value. And it's a great investment to invest in for long term. Like I just realized that Bitcoin is a much, much better investment than real estate. Okay. And I made like 2 videos already talking about, Bitcoin versus real estate, right? Why, Bitcoin is a much, much better investment than real estate. Okay. So if you guys haven't seen those videos, you should definitely check it out. But understand, guys, when you own Bitcoin, okay, your purchasing power actually goes up. Whereas if you just have money, your own fiat money, you have money maybe in the bank, right? Your purchasing power actually goes lower because of inflation, right? But when you own Bitcoin, okay, everything gets cheaper, right? Because your purchasing power actually goes higher. Okay, like for example, guys, okay, back 2016, you needed about almost 700 Bitcoins. Yes, 700 Bitcoins just to buy a regular home, okay, in the US, which is around almost $300,000 at the time, back in 2016. Now today, jumping to 2024, you just need like less than 5 Bitcoins to buy a house in the US. Just think about that. And that's why, guys, Bitcoin is a much, much better investment than something like real estate. Because a lot of people think, real estate is the number one investment. People think, real estate is a great investment. And yes, it is. Like, I'm not saying real estate is a bad investment, but real estate, comparing it to Bitcoin, yes, Bitcoin is clearly the winner. Okay, you can still, make a lot of money by investing into real estate, whether it's, becoming an agent or, being a landlord, right? Owning multiple of real estate properties and just renting them out. Okay, that's a great way to build wealth. But I feel like that's old fashioned, right? And a lot of kids out there, I know it's risky, but a lot of kids out there, they are making millions of dollars, guys. I'm talking about, the teenagers. Okay, they're making life-changing money just by trading crypto. So just think about that. Okay, I feel like the newer generations, okay, the younger generations nowadays, and this generation for this year, 2024, everyone's just jumping into crypto, right? Like this is the new way to make life-changing money. And everyone wants it quick. You know what I mean? And I'm not saying, guys, you should just get in and just put your whole life savings into some random meme coin. I'm not saying that, but what I'm saying is like nowadays, I just feel like a lot of new millionaires are made and printed by trading crypto. That's what I feel like. And it's mainly from meme coins nowadays, right? That's just personally what I feel like, guys, right? But yeah, this bull run, of course, new millionaires will be printed and made for sure with Bitcoin, Ethereum, and altcoins, of course, in general, and of course, meme coins, right? So that is that. But yeah, one day, guys, I'm gonna do a very, very similar thing to whoever this person is, right, just did, that they moved 25 Bitcoins, which is like over $2 million that they've been holding for over 11 years. Okay, they've been truly hodling. Okay, this is what you call diamond hands, guys, right? Like truly. So this is amazing to see. Okay, it really, really is, guys. Now let's talk about Solana. Okay, Solana today has reached a new all-time high. We know Solana, right, did in fact go back up to its previous highs and reach a new all-time high, guys. It has surpassed 260, hitting a new all-time high. And as I told you guys many, many times, Solana, I literally told you guys this. Solana has huge potential to reach back up to its previous highs and, of course, reach a new all-time high, right? You guys understand, okay, a lot of these altcoins in the market, okay, a lot of these altcoins, majority of them will reach back up to its previous highs from last cycle and, of course, reach a new all-time high. And that's exactly what we are in fact seeing right now for Solana. Understand, guys, not all these altcoins will survive. Okay, a lot of these altcoins are dead. Like, for example, Polygon. Right, I don't think Polygon will go back up to its previous all-time highs. I really, really don't. I'm very, very disappointed with Polygon. Okay, so understand, majority of these altcoins, yes, they will go back up to its previous all-time highs and reach a new all-time high. But majority of these altcoins in the crypto market right now, they are dead. And I don't think they will go back up to its previous all-time highs because they are not gaining any momentum right now. Okay, please understand that, guys. Okay, so a lot of these altcoins, yeah, they won't survive, but we are in fact seeing a lot of these altcoins reaching back up to its previous highs from last cycle and, of course, reaching a new all-time high. So Solana is one of these altcoins. Look at Sui. Sui did in fact reach a new all-time high as well, right? We know that. Okay, so understand, guys, a lot of these alts will pump. And guess what? Alt season is coming. Like, it hasn't even begun yet, and it's right around the corner. Okay, alt season is coming, guys, so be ready for that. Even Anthony, okay, posted this on X. Says here, Solana just hit a new all-time high. Congratulations to everyone who held through the 97% drawdown over the last few years. And it was crazy, right? Look at this, right? Look at how much, okay, Solana dropped 97% drawdown. Just look at it. It was harsh time, guys. It was very, very harsh times. I remember, guys, right? When I saw FTX collapsing, was at the time, okay, when we saw this drawdown for Solana, okay, when it hit like rock bottom below $10, that's when FTX collapsed. And the reason we saw Solana collapsing even more is because obviously FTX, I think they owned a lot of Solana. Okay, and that's why we saw Solana like collapsing, and it was very, very scary. I thought like at that time Solana, it was dead, like it was over for Solana. And I am very, very blessed, guys, that I didn't sell any of my Solana. I simply just held. I held through the bad times. I thought to myself, at the time, what was the point of me selling? Why would I sell my Solana? What was the point of just taking out $1,000, a couple of $1,000 from Solana? It was down a lot, guys. Understand that. I was down a lot on Solana at the time. Like, I was thinking to myself, what was the point of selling, a couple of $1,000 of Solana, at a loss? What was the point? So I just held through, and now we are back. Okay, clearly, and Solana today did reach a new all-time high. So sometimes, guys, it's good to just have diamond hands. There's no point of you guys selling at a loss. You might as well just hold it. Okay, sometimes that does work. Okay, so that's that. You might as well just leave it in there. Right, so that's that. You never know what can happen. So I am very, very glad and blessed. I didn't even sell 1% of my Solana. I just simply held through the bad times, and I'm glad I did, because you guys can clearly see Solana has reached back up to its previous highs and even reached a new all-time high today. So that is amazing to see for Solana. Okay, so congratulations to all you guys that held through Solana. I know it's been tough, but Solana is truly like the next Ethereum, right? As I told you guys many times, okay, Solana is like the next Ethereum price-wise, right? If you missed buying Ethereum, when Ethereum was trading at, $100 to $200, buy some Solana, because I really do believe, this bull cycle, there is huge potential that Solana can reach up to as high as like 300 to of course 300, but like up to like 600, 800 to even $1,000 this bull cycle. I think that's very, very possible for Solana, right? So Solana is like the next Ethereum price wise. Okay, so like I said, if you missed the boat buying Ethereum when it was cheap, like $100 to $200, buy some Solana, because I think Solana is like the next Ethereum. Okay, so that is that. Not financial advice. Always do your own research, guys. Okay, so that is that. But yeah, alt season, right? So look at this chart from Max, right? This uptrend is just starting, guys. Okay, so understand the total crypto market cap, okay, is going to pump like crazy. And we are already seeing a momentum up to the upside, right? You guys can clearly see that. But guess what? This uptrend is going to go further up to the upside. Okay, so understand alt season is coming. It is literally right around the corner. It's about to begin, guys. Okay, so get ready for that. Okay, your favorite altcoins will be pumping like crazy. Okay, L1s, L2s, right? Meme coins, of course, meme season is coming as well. So be ready for that, guys, because altcoins is ready to skyrocket. Okay, all right. Bitcoin right now is down $98,300. Not looking too good. Bitcoin is literally teasing us right now, guys. Okay, it is teasing us. Okay, but we will see what will happen for Bitcoin. But yeah, it is struggling very, very hard right now to even bounce back up to like $99,000. It really is struggling right now. Okay. But we will see if we can catch Bitcoin reaching $100,000 during tonight's stream. Okay, we will see what happens. Like I said, if it doesn't happen, then that's completely fine. Okay, but yeah, right now, just below $98,400. So yeah, we will see what will happen. We'll see if Bitcoin can even go back up to like 99K, and of course back up to its previous highs of $99,500. Let's get rid of this now. Okay, so its previous highs, okay, $99,500. Okay. So yeah. We are in fact seeing like a V shape. Let's go to the 15-minute time frame. Okay, so I thought we would see like a V-shaped recovery. Okay, y'all can clearly see that, right? I thought this was in fact at its bottom, and we did in fact see a momentum back up to the upside, but it is going back down right now. Okay, so we will see what will happen. Maybe Bitcoin will continue to consolidate at this level. Who really knows? Okay, but I will keep you guys updated to see what happens with Bitcoin. All right, so let's see if it will go back up to 99K. Okay. But yeah, guys, real quick, let's thank Donald Trump. Right, let's thank Donald Trump, because you guys understand, ever since we had the US election, and ever since, Donald Trump did become president once again, right? The 47th president, okay, of America, okay, the crypto market has been pumping. Okay, Bitcoin has been reaching new all-time highs ever since the US election, and of course, altcoins, right? Altcoins have been absolutely skyrocketing. Meme coins have been pumping, okay, like a lot, guys, right? So Donald Trump, okay, we got to thank him, right? We have to thank him. And we know, guys, Donald Trump, right? He is Bitcoin friendly. He likes Bitcoin. He actually went to the last Bitcoin conference, right, this year of 2024 in Nashville. He actually went to that conference, went on stage, and said some very, very bullish things about Bitcoin, right? And the first thing he said, well, one of the first things he said, it was that he was going to fire Gary Gensler. And it's kind of funny, right? If you think about it now, because a few months later, here we are, and Gary Gensler is officially resigning as the SEC's chairman, right? That is hilarious, in my opinion, right? Like, this was going to happen. Okay, and here we are. Gary Gensler is officially resigning as the SEC's chairman, just like what Donald Trump wanted, just like what the crypto space, okay, wanted, and of course the XRP army. That's exactly what we wanted, okay, and that's why we are in fact seeing XRP skyrocketing back up to over $1, okay, and it's about to reach $2. I would not be surprised. Okay, so yeah, it's looking amazing right now for Bitcoin and crypto, right? So let's just thank Donald Trump, guys. Okay, He is truly making America great again. And I've heard that Donald Trump, okay, he is apparently, okay, and these are just rumors, that apparently he's going to be making capital gains for crypto tax free in America. That's just what I've heard. Okay, it's not confirmed, but these are just rumors. And if this actually does become confirmed, this is going to be insane, right? Because you guys understand, like when you do tax on, your capital gains on crypto, it's insane, right? Sometimes it's very, very high. It depends on what country you're in. Okay, I'm in Australia, and yeah, it's pretty high here. So that's why, guys, like I don't want to sell too much because I don't want to, get ripped by my accountant and whatnot, right? By tax and stuff like that, right? The amount of tax that I have to pay. It's insane. So that's why a lot of people, when they are in fact in the crypto space, they move to like a low tax country, right? So that way they can make more money, right? And it's understandable, I understand where they're coming from. And that's why, guys, like in the future, I really want to move to the UAE because Dubai, like, it is like tax free there. You don't have to pay any capital gains tax from crypto if you're in Dubai, which is insane. Like, just think about that. So that's like, it like makes sense, right? That's why a lot of people that are in fact, Bitcoiners, crypto investors, even traders, they are all moving to the UAE. Okay, because all your capital gains that you make, it's just completely tax free, which is insane to think about. It's literally insane. Okay, and I've heard, right, we already know this, I'm pretty sure, but in the UAE, there's a lot of like jobs out there, and you can actually like get paid with crypto, which is crazy, right? Like Bitcoin, crypto is truly the future of money. Okay, it really, really is. It's going to be something like global, and that's why I'm very, very bullish on Bitcoin, especially, right? So that is that. But yeah, it makes sense, guys, right? Move to Dubai. Okay, move to Dubai. And I know it's probably like very, very expensive there, but it just makes sense, like it's tax free there, guys. Like just think about that, right? It's tax free there. So it just makes sense. That's why, we are in fact seeing a lot of crypto investors and traders, okay, moving to Dubai, okay, because it just makes sense. Like it's tax free there, okay, and you can use, your crypto assets to pay for things. Literally, that's why a lot of people out there, when they move, they're buying properties with their Bitcoin or other, altcoins. I don't know what they want, but probably Bitcoin, right? So they are using the Bitcoins to buy properties there. They're using the Bitcoins to buy, the dream cars, right? Ferraris, Lamborghinis, right? Maserati, okay, you name it, Mercedes, Maybachs, Rolls Royce, G Wagons, you name it, right? They are using the Bitcoins and other crypto coins to, buy these cars, right? Even like watches, like a lot of places in Dubai accept Bitcoin and crypto, right? Which is amazing. So it just makes sense, okay, to move to Dubai, especially if you're like in the crypto space, right? And that's why, guys, like one day I am planning on wanting to go to Dubai in the UAE. Like one day, I think I have to do it. You know what I mean? It just makes sense. Okay, like I am all in on Bitcoin and crypto, right? I really am, guys. Like my net worth is just all in Bitcoin pretty much, and Ethereum and like these other altcoins, right? Mainly all in crypto. Like in my bank, I have like nothing. Like kid you not, guys. So it just makes sense that I just got to move to the UAE. Okay, so that is that. That's my future plans, guys. Okay, that is my future plans. Okay, what I'm gonna be doing with crypto, right? But yeah, let's have a look at Bitcoin. Okay, $98,100, still going down, guys. Okay, this is not looking too good. We may not even see Bitcoin reaching $100,000 tonight, but we will just have to see. Okay, but guys, real quick, that's pretty much all the things that I wanted to talk about. That's all the Bitcoin charts that I wanted to share with you guys and whatnot, what's happening around the crypto space. Okay, so all we have to do right now is just see when we will see Bitcoin reaching $100,000, right? But in the meantime, as promised, I showed you guys my watch list for these meme coins on my exchange, and right now I have $350 of funds. So my plan, right, with that 350 was, should I just go all in? I don't know, put like $300 into like some random meme coin that I think will perform very, very well, or should I just like put $20? I believe it's $20 or $15 to each of these meme coins. I really don't know. What should I do, guys? In fact, let's make a poll. Um, let's have a look. Okay, I'm gonna make a poll, guys. Okay, and all right, let's see. Oops. All right, guys, there's the poll. Will Bitcoin reach 100K today? All right. So, in the meantime, let's go ahead and chuck in. I don't know how much I should put in. 1 second. Let me figure this out. Okay. Um, okay. Hot 10 times 350. How should I do this? Hmm. Okay. Okay, I think I'll just do like $20 for each of these meme coins. Let's pick the ones that I really wanna put in. So I'm trying to look for like low market cap meme coins. Okay, just gotta check. You know, every now and then you gotta check the Bitcoin price, guys. All right, should I do $20? I think we do 20. Okay, let's do it. Okay, let's buy some bonk. Let's chuck 20. Is it 20 or should I start with 10? I really don't know. Okay, let's just do it like this. All right, let's just start with. Okay, let's do 20. All right, so bonk. Let's get some flaky. Down 5%, over 5%, might as well. $20 in here. And by the way, guys, I'm just doing this for fun, right? I'm just mucking around here. Eventually, I will put, a bit more money into these beam coins, the ones that I think will perform very well. Dog whiff, should I put 20? Why not? Okay. Maro. I think Maro has potential. All right. Sun Dog. Why not? 20. What's another one? Should I put some in Peanut the Squirrel? I mean, it's up still, like, let's have a look here. I mean, it's down a fair bit today, I must say. For the week it's past, it is down 32%. For the past month, though, it's still up over 2,000%. But you guys can clearly see, like, it is forming a very, very slow, steady downtrend. So should I just put $20 into Yeah, why not? Screw it. You never know, guys. Okay. What else? What else? Dog. Okay. $20. Um, coin. Yeah, this meme coin is actually like the market cap for it is like wow, still 184 million. Can this meme coin go to $1 billion market cap? We will just have to see. So let's get some of this. $20. You never know, guys. You just never know, right? With meme coins nowadays. And always, guys, like put in money that you're comfortable losing, right? Wow, Bitcoin is now below $98,000. It is not looking good at all right now for Bitcoin. $97,800. I didn't even think we're gonna see Bitcoin reaching $100,000 by tonight. So yeah, it is going down, but don't. It's fine. Okay, who knows? It could bounce back up, right? But oh, there we go. It's going back up, guys. We'll just have to see. Um, wow. All right. Okay, let's get some of this. All right. What else should I get? Mog. Oh, its market cap's over 1 billion already, almost 2 billion. Should I get some Pepe? Well, let's leave Pepe for last because I think I want to chuck in like $50 into Pepe because that's how much I believe in Pepe. What else? Rats? What the? Is this a meme coin? What the hell? All right. Should I do it? Might as well. You never know, right? This could be the next 1 billion market cap meme coin. Rats. Who knows? Slurf. 20. Okay, how much do I have left? $130. Okay. Let's put in this. This is still below $1 billion market cap, so I'll do that. What else, guys? Popcat. Did I buy some Popcat already? No, I didn't. Should I buy some Popcat, guys? Down almost 7%. Might as well. All right, $90 left. Let's see. Cat. Wait. Cat in a Dog's World. $1 billion market cap. Might be too late. All right, let's look. Bitcoin is going down. Okay, $97,700. Wow. Bitcoin is going down, guys. Look at this. Wow, it is not looking too good, guys. Okay, it really, really isn't. I really thought tonight is the night, like today will be the day that we actually see Bitcoin reaching $100,000. It seems like that's going to happen tomorrow. Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Maybe I spoke too soon. Okay, we'll just have to see. Right now, 98K. All right, let's continue. Meme coins. What else should I buy? Okay, should I buy some of this? Might as well. Okay, $70. $70, guys. What else? What else? Simon's cat. Oh, this is tough. Let's do. Wait, what have I bought? Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Hey, what's up, Marco? How you doing, my man? Let's do Cat in a Dog's World. Did I buy that yet? No, I haven't. Okay, should I chuck 20 in that? Okay, let's just do 20. I was thinking about doing $50 into Pepe, but never mind now. Okay, we've got 50, so let's just chuck in 20 right now in Pepe. Add a bit more Pepe right into my bag. 30 more dollars. What else should I do, guys? Simon's Cat, bread. I haven't bought yet. Let's do bread. Let's just chuck in 20. And then $10. Ah, $10. What should I do, guys? What should I do? Chuck it into XRP? No, I'm not going to do that. I'm just joking. Alright, let's have a look. Okay. Let's have a look. What's happening right now with Bitcoin? 15-minute time frame. Yeah, it's not looking too good, guys, for Bitcoin right now. It's dropping. It's going back down. 98K right now. Like, guys, I really thought today, like, we were gonna see Bitcoin reaching $100,000. I mean, it's high. At least we saw it at $99,500. Like, that's pretty high, right? But then it just went back down. You know what I mean? Like, it seems like Bitcoin is just teasing us right now. Like, it's struggling so much to break that 100K. Like, it really, really is. Doge. I already have a lot of Doge. I like that's like the only meme coin that I'm like holding, and it's just Doge, right? I'm planning on buying back into Shiba Inu because I already do believe Shiba Inu will perform very very well this bull cycle. So I don't need to buy Doge because I still have a lot of Doge. I'm just buying, like, I'm just chucking in like $20 into like random meme coins and just see how it goes, right? And that's what I've bought so far, guys. Don't worry about Casper. I'm just leaving that Casper in here. But yeah, those are the meme coins that I've bought so far. I literally just chucked in like $20 into each of them. And yeah, that's that. Oh, some of them I'm already up over 10 cents. That's amazing. That's life-changing money right there. I'm just joking. All right, I got $10 left. What should I buy, guys, for $10? Okay. I really don't know. All right, should I just do Simon's Cat? Do I have that yet? No, I don't. Okay, let's just put $10 in that. Okay. There we go. The last $10. All right, so that's that, guys. Those are the meme coins that I've bought so far tonight. Okay, we'll just see how it goes. Obviously, I'm just mucking around. I'm just playing around. Obviously, I will chuck a bit more into these meme coins. But that is that so far. Okay, and we'll just see how this goes. That's about a total of $350 that I put into meme coins. So we'll just let it ride from here on. Right, so let's have a look. Okay, global crypto market cap back at 3.3 trillion. Amazing. Overall, tonight, the market's up 2%. Not too bad. I have a feeling, guys, that we're going to see Bitcoin like reaching 100K like tomorrow morning. And the sad part is that I probably won't be going live tomorrow morning because I got things to do till like in the afternoon. And I think when I come back to the stream, Bitcoin will be over $100,000. Just my personal prediction, which is insane because I really thought today was the day that we will see Bitcoin reaching 100K, but clearly not. But hey, that is totally fine, guys. Okay, that is completely fine. I kind of had a feeling that this was going to happen, that we weren't going to see Bitcoin, reaching $100,000 this stream for tonight's stream. But like I said, it is completely fine. Okay. 1 hour time frame. Let's have a look. Yeah, Bitcoin is forming this uptrend. Is it still holding this support? No, it's not. Um, is it like breaking out of it? I think it is. Looks like it is. Yeah, this is okay. So far, it's not looking too good, guys, for Bitcoin. It really, really isn't. It's breaking down, but that is fine. You know, that is completely fine. It's all about patience, guys. Okay, it really, really is. 99K incoming. Uh, as of right now, no. It is not. It is going down. Who knows how much further it will go down, but like Bitcoin has to do something soon, right? I feel like something big is about to happen right now for Bitcoin, like very, very soon. Okay. But you can clearly see it is breaking the support, so who knows what will happen. I mean, it broke support before and it went back up. Okay, so we will see what will happen for Bitcoin. But that's that. You're a night owl. You and me both. I am one too. I feel like I should get rid of Matic. Let's just delete this. Get rid of that. Get rid of BNB as well. What? Yeah, why not? Actually, no. I'll leave it in there. Polkadot. We should get rid of Polkadot as well, to be honest with you guys. I lost faith with Polkadot. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I lost faith with Polkadot. Algorand, let's get rid of that. Cosmos, get rid of that as well. Okay. Alright, Bitcoin is now below 98K. It is dropping, guys. But, like I said, it's all about patience, right? It is all about patience. Let's get rid of this now. We don't need that. Okay. And by the way, guys, if you guys are not following me on my social medias, like X, Twitter, Instagram, right? Please follow me, especially on my Instagram. Like that's mainly where I am active. Okay, I am trying to be more active on X as well. Okay, I'm trying my best, but it's just hard. I don't know why it's hard. But yeah, that's that. $98,000, guys. Can we see Bitcoin going back up to $99,000 and then eventually $100,000? We will just have to see. Okay, so this is my second attempt, guys. Right, this is my second attempt 3 hours ago. I did go live. Okay, now fortunately, I didn't see Bitcoin hitting $100,000. Right, but hopefully tonight's stream we do see Bitcoin reaching $100,000. That's what I want to see, and I'm pretty sure that's what we all want to see. That magical $100,000 price, right? Man, can we just pump up Bitcoin? Like, what is going on? I don't know why Bitcoin is struggling so much to reach and break out of like that 99K level to 100K. You know, it's been struggling, guys. Right? It really, really has. Okay. Memes today. Past 24 hours. Dog Fet's up. Oh, no, it's not. Never mind. I thought it was up like 10%. Book of Meme. Oh, man. I should have bought some Book of Meme. I don't think I did. Yeah, I didn't. Okay, let's refresh. Wow. Not up on anything. uh... That's crazy. I didn't buy Book of Meme. I forgot. I completely forgot. Whoops. And it's down almost 8%, pretty much 8% today. But that's completely fine. You know, that's fine. That's fine. All right. Come on, Bitcoin. Can we pump to $99,000 at least? That's all I'm asking. You know, can we pump to at least $99,000? Right? Or is this the correction? Are we gonna see Bitcoin having a correction? Like, is this the moment? Okay, there we go. It's going down, guys. Well, you know, guys, we might not actually see Bitcoin reaching $100,000 today. Okay, maybe tomorrow it will happen, but as of right now, you guys just clearly see Bitcoin is dropping. Okay, it is not looking too good right now. Yeah, this might be the top. It's like $99,000 the top for Bitcoin in the next few days or something. Probably, right? But yeah, today is not the day, guys, for a 100k Bitcoin. I really thought, you know, tonight would be the night where we actually see Bitcoin reaching $100,000, but it is not. But hey, that is completely fine, like I said, right? I didn't expect Bitcoin to be reaching 100k in today's stream, in tonight's stream, but it's going down. This is watch it go down to like $95,000. Why not? Why the hell not? But hey, guys, I think this is a plus, right? I think this is a plus because I told you guys, right, as promised, when we see Bitcoin reaching $100,000, that I was going to drink, right? I was going to bring out, you know, the red label, Johnny Walker himself, and just have a little few sips, but I guess not, right? Which is a plus because, like I said, I hate alcohol. I am not a drinker at all, right? I hate it, guys. I don't know how people drink alcohol. Like, let me know, guys, in the comments. Do you guys actually, like, if you guys love drinking, like, alcohol, wine, or anything like that, like whiskey, like, please let me know in the comments down below. Like, why do you guys actually like drinking alcohol? Like, personally, I don't get it. Okay, and I'm not against, like, alcoholic drinkers or anything like that. Like, do you? Okay, obviously I'm not judging, but I just don't understand how people like it. You know, the taste of it. You know what I mean? I just don't get it. You know what I mean? So that's what I just want to know. Like, why do people like drinking alcohol? Right? Maybe because when they are tipsy, when they're drunk and whatnot, like they're just like in their own world. Like, I get that, but it's just a very, very bad feeling, in my opinion. All right. So yeah, this is a plus. At least I don't have to drink right tonight. Maybe tomorrow, guys. Okay, will be a better day for Bitcoin, and we will see it reaching $100,000. But right now, for Bitcoin, it is not looking too good. Okay, y'all can clearly see that. What exchange are you using? Okay, what exchange am I using? Right. Well, I'm using this exchange, CoinSpot. Okay, and this is obviously a Australian exchange, right? So this is pretty much the exchange that I use to buy majority of my crypto, right? Sometimes I use Coinbase and whatnot, but obviously, guys, with exchanges, you don't want to keep your assets in them, right, for long term. So I buy them, but then I just transfer them, okay, out of there like straight away, okay, because I don't trust any exchanges at all, right? So those are the exchanges that I use mainly. CoinSpot because I'm in Australia, but I think that's gonna change soon because I am planning on moving. And Coinbase. Sometimes I do use Coinbase, right? But CoinSpot is so simple to use, and the fees here, right? The fees are pretty high, I must say, which is not a plus. But there is an area over here called markets, and if you want to buy, you know, you can buy like things like Bitcoin, Tether, Ethereum, Cardano, Solana, XRP, Doge, Litecoin, XLM, even Tron. I don't know if you guys like Tron, but personally, I don't like Tron. Okay, EOS, Neo, Power, Gas, and whatever this is, RHOC. So these are like the only crypto coins that you can buy in these markets. And when you like buy it in this market area, like the fees are much lower. So that's why you guys see me like when I'm buying Bitcoin or crypto, mainly just use this. So Marco says here, and had any trouble with banks transfer. Wait, what? Had any trouble with banks transferring into exchange? No. But the thing is, guys, like with this exchange CoinSpot, this is like what I mainly use. And sometimes, like when I deposit right into this exchange, it takes 24 hours for some reason. Like before, it did not take 24 hours, but for some reason, it takes 24 hours, okay, to deposit, right? Like when my money hits in that crypto exchange, it takes 24 hours for some reason. Before, guys, like I remember back in like 2021, it used to be instant, like in the next few seconds, literally. But nowadays, it takes 24 hours. I don't know why. Maybe it's just that exchange, but it is actually pretty annoying. They should change it. And let me know, guys, where are you guys from? Like, what country are you guys from? I'm just very curious to see where you guys are from and you guys are watching the stream right now because that will be very interesting in my opinion. 97.8, just below $97,800. Looking pretty tough right now for Bitcoin. We will probably not see the 100K buy tonight, guys, but we will just have to see. It's all about patience. Remember, Bitcoin can move, okay, in a short amount of time. It really can, guys. Okay, so it's all about patience, okay? It really is. And the poll seems like 100% of everyone said yes, that we will see Bitcoin reaching 100K today, but I think it's going to be tomorrow. Hey, we will see. We never know, right? We never know, guys. All right, looks like it wants to go back up to $98,000. We'll see. Come on. Will Bitcoin reach $100,000 today? This is what we wanted to see, guys. Hey, this right here, this is what we wanted to see. 6 figures, right, for Bitcoin today, tonight. But instead, this is what we're seeing. So, Marco, you're from Australia. That's amazing. I'm from Australia as well. What city are you from? I'm curious. I feel like a lot of my audience is from the US. I don't have a lot of like Australian um audiences, but look at this. Look, Bitcoin just jumped, guys. $98,100. All right, come on. Go back up to $99,000. So once it's at 99, go back up to its previous size of 99.5 and then reach $100,000. This is the mark that we want to see. Okay, this is what we want to see for Bitcoin, $100,000. Okay. Let's see. Come on. Pump it up. Yes, good volume. Yes, the volume is looking amazing. It's looking decent, I must say, for Bitcoin. Dominance, not too bad as well. Okay. Yeah, memes today are actually down. Kind of funny, right? Like altcoins like, Solana, Cardano, XRP, okay, they're all pumping, like at least over 5% to even over 10%. And just look at meme coins tonight. And I'm glad that I bought some meme coins tonight as well, right? Because, yeah, they are down for the past 24 hours. So I think it's a great time to buy some memes. In Melbourne, okay, that's amazing. It's been quite some time since I've been in Melbourne. The last time I went to Melbourne, I think that's when it was pretty sad, but yeah, I think that's when my grandma passed and I went to her funeral. And yeah, that was the last time I went to Melbourne. It was back in 2017. And yes, I wish I had a time machine and I bought Bitcoin at that time. Like the first time, guys, I heard about Bitcoin was back in 2016 when I was in high school. And that's when I first heard about it. Like I saw like a little like pop-up ad about Bitcoin, like you should buy Bitcoin now. I did my research about Bitcoin, I read it. I thought it was a scam, and yeah, I didn't do anything about it because obviously at the time, guys, as a teenager, right, you're a kid in high school, you don't know how money works, right? Your mind is not all there, right? So obviously I didn't do anything about Bitcoin, but that was like the first time I heard about Bitcoin, right? Like the very first time. And then I remember in 2020, like my friends were talking about it, how Bitcoin was like skyrocketing, okay? And we're talking about the Bitcoin price, but I didn't do anything about it. I remember that night, like we were just talking about it for like a couple of minutes, and I didn't do anything. And then of course, 2021, I had FOMO. Bitcoin was pumping like crazy, and let me just show you guys, right? Let's just get rid of this for a sec. Let's put it up there. Okay, so when Bitcoin, guys, like this drop right over here, okay, back in 2021, this was like the first time I bought Bitcoin. I took it as an opportunity to buy. So this drop right here, when I saw this drop, guys, I took it as an opportunity to buy Bitcoin, right? Marco, 2014, didn't know how to buy. That is crazy. Imagine back in 2014, you just invested like $1,000 to even like just $100. That would be insane. 2014 was. Let's have a look at Coin Market Cap. It'll be a bit more easier. 2014. Wow, below $1,000 at the time. USD, AUD, who knows how much that'll be. Let's have a look, shall we? How do I change the currency on Coin Market Cap? Can I change it? I can, right? There we go. Australian. Alright, let's have a look. Wow. AUD right now for one Bitcoin, 150k. Insane. I remember buying Bitcoin when it was at 24k. All the way down here. I literally caught the bottom. Literally. So I'm glad I did. 2014. Wow. $600. Still below $1,000, just like USD. Imagine you just bought one Bitcoin. That would be insane. And 2016, how much was it? That's when I first heard about it. What was it? Wow, still below $1,000 pretty much. Wow, 2016 of November, it hit $1,000 AUD. That is insane. Imagine, guys. Oh my god. I just wish I had a time machine. Everyone says that, but you just can't do anything about it. You just got to move on, guys. And understand, Bitcoin is still early, right? Like what I always tell you guys, Bitcoin is a digital asset that's going to be worth millions of dollars. You got to think long term with Bitcoin, right? Because you have to understand Bitcoin isn't a digital asset that's going to be worth millions of dollars one day. Understand that, guys, right? Marcus says everyone thought it was a scam. Yes, even me. Like I said, right, back in 2016 when I first heard about it, I saw like a little pop-up ad, just like this ad right here, right? You guys see this ad? I saw an ad similar to this, like on a random school laptop, saying buy Bitcoin, right? On like Coinbase or something like that. I forgot what exchange, but they were saying buy Bitcoin. I looked at what Bitcoin was because obviously I had no idea what it was. And I read about it, what Bitcoin works, how it worked. And I thought, obviously I didn't know how money works and whatnot. So obviously I didn't do anything about Bitcoin, right? And obviously that was the biggest regret of my life, okay? But hey, it's fine now. Okay, I'm glad I have the mindset that I have now, okay, at the age of 25. So that's that. But yeah, look at how much, guys, Bitcoin has performed throughout the years. It's insane, right? Just look at it. Like no one knew, okay, back in 2011, 2012, 2013, 2014, 2015, 2016 to 2018, 2020 that Bitcoin will be over 100k, $150,000 AUD, right? So just think about that. That is insane to think about. Okay, it really, really is. All right, let's change this to AUD now. I mean USD. There we go. All right, what's Bitcoin doing? Oh yeah, like I said, I was buying Bitcoin when I saw this drop, guys, in mid of 2021. I took it as an opportunity to buy, and at that time, I wasn't planning on buying Bitcoin. My plan was actually to buy my first ever property, but I saw this dip, and I took it as an opportunity to buy instead of like property. And that was one of the best decisions I've ever made. So I bought like one whole Bitcoin. That was my first time ever buying one whole Bitcoin. I had money saved and I was able to buy one whole coin. And then after that, I didn't stop. I just kept buying more Bitcoin. Right? I did my research about Bitcoin and I just bought more. I kept buying more. I remember seeing Bitcoin having this pump up to the upside, and I was like, I had FOMO, but I was just like, nah, I'm not gonna buy. I'm not gonna buy. And I'm glad that we saw this correction, and I took it as an opportunity to buy, right? And I just kept buying, throughout this way. And of course, when I was going up, I just kept buying. And of course, throughout 2022, of course, right? 2022, I just kept buying. When we saw this drawdown for Bitcoin, okay, this was mainly when I was buying a whole bunch of Bitcoin. Like, kid you not, I was buying a whole bunch. And there's proof, right? I made a fair few videos showing you guys, literally showing you guys all the way back from 2022 that I was actually buying a whole bunch of Bitcoin. Okay. Well, let me show you guys a clip. If you guys don't believe me, okay, I'll show you guys a clip that I actually bought some Bitcoin back 2022, and I actually caught the bottom, right? Let me just show you guys, in case you guys don't believe me, that I bought, Bitcoin when it was at 15K, below 16K. And I'm not trying to like brag or anything like that. I just want to show you guys proof that I actually, bought Bitcoin when it was at rock bottom, the last bear cycle, right? I actually, bought at the Bitcoin bottom when it was like at its bottom. Okay, so okay. Alright, here we go. You guys ready? Alright, so this clip right here, okay, y'all can clearly see, right? Titled, I'm going all in on Bitcoin. Okay, and this was posted 14th of November of 2022. Right? Look at where Bitcoin was at the time. November 2022, right over here. Right? Literally at its bottom, guys. Right? And look at this. Okay, look at the price of Bitcoin. $15.9 thousand. That was Bitcoin's rock bottom. Right? Look at how much Bitcoin dropped at the time. It was insane, guys. Look at the price of Solana at the time. $12 for one Solana. $12, guys, for one Solana. Right? Ethereum, right? $1,100. Cardano, 31 cents. Chainlink, just below $6. Dogecoin, 8 cents. Insane. Right? Just look at it. Look at this, guys. Look at Solana, $12. And this was obviously when the FTX crash happened. And look at this, right? 24K AUD. And that was obviously the bottom for Bitcoin. Okay, so obviously you guys can clearly see. Look at that. I literally bought, guys. 17.5. I'm not trying to brag, but you guys can clearly see I'm trying to show you guys proof, right? That I actually, bought Bitcoin at its bottom. I wasn't like really timing the market perfectly, but I just knew, I even said it in the video, I just knew that Bitcoin was like in its bottom. You know what I mean? Like this is most likely like near its bottom, or Bitcoin is completely at the bottom. Like I even said that in the video. So I just went all in on Bitcoin. And I wasn't lying. Like this is not clickbait, right? Like I titled it, I'm going all in on Bitcoin, literally. And there you guys have it, right? 71% of a Bitcoin, almost one whole Bitcoin. Okay. And there you go. Look at that. I literally bought it. Right? So I am not lying, guys. Okay. I literally bought Bitcoin when it was dirt cheap, like at its bottom during that bear cycle. Right? So that's that. I don't know if we're going to see this. Okay, because Bitcoin right now, $97.7 thousand. It is not looking too pretty right now for Bitcoin. It really, really is. But yeah, like I said, the plus is I don't have to drink. Good time buying there? Yes. It really was, Marco. It really, really was a good time buying. Ireland. Ireland. Oh wow, that's amazing. That is far. That is crazy. I got viewers from all the way from there. That is insane. I appreciate it. That is crazy. People from across the world watching this stream right now, hoping Bitcoin will reach $100,000, right? Seeing six figs, but instead we're seeing it dropping below $98,000 right now. So it's not looking too good right now for Bitcoin, but hey, it's fine. Okay, this is completely normal, guys. Okay, it really, really is. It's all about patience. So yeah, like I said, okay, even at the beginning of today's stream, like I probably won't catch Bitcoin reaching 100k. Like Bitcoin is just teasing us. It really, really is. Like it's struggling a lot right now to reach 100k. I was here when you caught the bottom. That is amazing. Thank you so much for the support. That is actually insane. I really do appreciate all the support, guys, and you guys know exactly who you guys are. And I hope you guys caught the bottom as well. You know, for all the people out there that bought back, 2022, 2023, when we were in a bear market, like understand, like it's finally paying off, right? We are in fact seeing, Bitcoin reaching new highs, Ethereum about to reach new highs, right? Solana reaching a new all-time high. And a lot of these altcoins have been pumping, right? It's finally paying off, right? All those times buying the dip when it was scary, right? When it was crashing, when it was in the reds, when it was quiet, right? Not everyone was really talking about it. Everyone was pretty bearish. Okay. All those times buying and most importantly holding is finally paying off. And guess what? What's crazy is that if you really think about it, right? Everyone that bought Bitcoin is up in profit. Literally everyone right now that bought into Bitcoin is up in profit. Understand that. Okay. Even for the people out there that bought Bitcoin when, Bitcoin was at a new high of 69k last cycle, right? People out there that bought, Bitcoin when it was, at its all-time highs last cycle, right? When you bought the top, you're all in profit right now. Clearly, right? Look at how much Bitcoin is pumping right over there. So everyone right now is pretty much up in profit right now for Bitcoin, which is amazing to think about, right? It really, really is. So that's crazy. But yeah, it's crazy how much Bitcoin has came along. Like just look at it. It is insane. And yeah, we're soon enough gonna see Bitcoin reaching $100,000. And I don't think it's gonna happen today, sadly. As much as we all want to see Bitcoin reaching $100,000, it is not gonna happen tonight. Unfortunately. It's not gonna happen today. Even though we all want it to happen. We all want to see Bitcoin reaching $100,000, but unfortunately, it is not going to happen today. Okay, most likely, it will happen tomorrow. And like I said, I don't think I will be catching Bitcoin reaching $100,000 tomorrow. Sadly, but that's fine. That is fine. But as promised, will I be drinking still? Probably. By the way, this is just water, guys. I'm not actually drinking alcohol, of course, right? This is just water. Relax. All right, 97.8. Not bad. Marcus says here, wait until end of 2028. Diamond hands. Yes, 100%. I'm going to be holding, you guys understand, like, I'm going to be holding majority of my Bitcoins, like, long term, because I know where Bitcoin is heading long term, right? Like, just recently, guys, I sold a lot of my altcoins that I've been holding since last cycle. I literally sold majority of it to buy Bitcoin. Like, you guys just saw almost a week ago, right? I sold my XRP to buy Bitcoin. Do I regret it? No, I don't. Because when I did that, Bitcoin was at like $92,000 to $93,000, I believe. Somewhere around there. Okay. So I don't regret, swapping my XRP for Bitcoin. Even though, yes, XRP has been pumping. I get that. But I don't regret it at all. Okay. Yeah, and I sold like Polkadot, Polygon, of course, right? Those altcoins. I just lost faith with those altcoins. And I just sold it at a loss and just put into Bitcoin. I don't think those altcoins will go back up to previous highs. I really don't. I highly doubt it. right? So the altcoins that I'm mainly holding, if you guys are wondering, is like Ethereum, of course, Solana, Chainlink. You guys know I'm a huge fan of Chainlink. I think Chainlink has huge potential for this bull run, right? Even in the future. Um, so that's why I am still holding Chainlink. Cardano, of course, I still am holding. I have not sold even 1% of my Cardano. I'm still holding all of it. Okay, and I still have a decent amount of Cardano. And I'm glad I didn't sell. I'm still holding because I think Cardano has potential to maybe go back up to its previous highs and reach a new high during this bull run. Right. Sheeb, I sold at a profit though. Okay, I'm glad I did because Sheeb did drop pretty significantly, but obviously Sheeb is now back up, right? Sheeb is gaining back its momentum. It really, really is. Yeah, it's not looking too bad right now for Shiba Inu. But yeah, I think Sheeb this bull run will eventually go back up to its previous highs, even reach a new high. And that's why I think Sheeb will perform very, very well this bull run. Right. So yeah, there's not a lot of altcoins that I hold, guys. Like my mind has just mainly shifted into Bitcoin. Right. That's the thing. XLM still up 20%, not too bad. HBAR is up 7%. HBAR has been pumping as well, guys. Like for the past week, it's up 9%. That's insane. Past month, it's up over 100%, 154%, which is insane. Great day to buy some Casper, down over 5%, almost 6%. So if you're planning on buying some Casper, I would go ahead and buy some today and just hold it. Because I think Casper can perform very, very well in the long run. Uh, yeah, Peanut the Squirrel is down over 20%, 22% right now. For the past week, it's down 33%. That's insane. Uh, oh, okay. Um, all right, $98,000 right now for Bitcoin. Can it go back up? We will just have to see. I lost a lot of money with Axie Infinity, guys. A lot of money. When I tell you guys, I mean a lot of money. I mean a lot of money with this gaming token because this was a earn to play gaming token. Okay, and look at how much it pumped at the time, $153, and now it's at $5, below $6. I lost a lot with this altcoin. A lot. All right, so this is a great question. Do you have a strategy when for selling? When you do take profits from some of your crypto, and yes, I've held since 2022 and kept DCAing. That is great to hear. I am glad that you've been buying since 2022 and just been DCAing. That is amazing. That's exactly the kind of comments that I want to see because you're doing absolutely amazing. And keep DCAing, right? Keep DCAing. Okay, and don't stop. Just DCA. Okay, but any strategies of when selling or taking your profits from crypto? Well, I think it's very, very simple, right? Like during this bull run, guys. Okay, I think like the way to do it, and this is personally how I think you should do it. Just as you would DCA in, you simply want to DCA out, right? So every single time during this bull run, because you guys have to understand, okay? Right, let's just move this for a second. Oh wait, hold up. Whoa, 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 whoa. What am I doing? Hold up, hold up. How do I move this? 1 second. Okay. So you guys have to understand, right? Let's just say, for example, with Bitcoin, you want to take your profits with Bitcoin. Okay. So let's just say, right, Bitcoin reaches $110,000, right? And then it goes to 130, 150, and then 180, let's just say, right? It's just an example. And then 200K, let's just say, right? So when we see, okay, Bitcoin reaching these levels, okay, when it's going to, $110,000, 130, right? Maybe we'll consolidate a little bit, go up, consolidate, go back up, right? Like this is the Bitcoin price. This is eventually what will happen. Okay. And you guys understand every single time Bitcoin is reaching these levels, right? It reaches, $110,000. Take some profits, right? Take some out, right? When it reaches, $130, when it reaches, $150,000, right? Take some profits out, right? Take some out, okay? 180, take some out, right? 200K, take some out. So just like you would DCA in, you simply want to DCA out, right? So that's how I see it when you want to, take your profits with crypto, right? Whether it's Bitcoin, Ethereum, or your favorite other altcoins that you've been buying. That's just personally how I would see it. So as it's going up, you just want to DCA out, right? You want to take some profits out, small amounts out, right? You don't want to take the whole thing out because it's gonna eventually go back up. But obviously, we don't know where the top is going to be. A lot of people out there want to know where the top will be for Bitcoin, but no one out there realistically knows where the top will be for Bitcoin, right? That's why you should just simply take bits of profits out every single time it's going up, right? So as you would DCA in when it's crashing, right? For example, with the 2022 crash, with this drawdown, right? Every single time we saw Bitcoin dropping, right? It was dropping here, you would take some out. When it's dropping here, you would take some out. When it's dropping over here, right? You would take some out. Even over here, you would take some out, right? So just as you would DCA in, okay, you want to DCA out, guys. So every time it's going back up to these levels, you just want to simply DCA out. That's just personally how I see it, right? So that's that. All right. So Bitcoin right now, $98,000. Not too bad, right? Not too bad. Into USDT. I mean, I've never put anything in stablecoins. For me, I would honestly just take my profits and just probably reinvest it into Bitcoin. That's just personally me, right? That's personally how I would do it, right? But you can put into stablecoins and just leave it there and just hear how it goes. You know what I mean? You can put into Tether if you want or USDC. Okay, either one is great. So that's that. It's really up to you. Okay, when you take a profits, you can just leave it in these stable coins, or just I don't know. For me, guys, I'm just gonna reinvest it into Bitcoin. Like, it'll be in my funds, and I'll just put it back in when Bitcoin maybe drops back down, because we know eventually it will drop back down. Right? We're gonna enter a bear cycle eventually. The year 2026. That's going to be the year where we will see Bitcoin pretty much entering the next cycle, which is the bear cycle, right? But we know, guys, when we enter these bear markets, Bitcoin's pretty volatile, right? And it crashes a lot. But I really do believe this time around, right? With these bear markets, I do believe it's going to be less volatile. Like in the future, I told you guys that, when Bitcoin is worth hundreds and thousands of dollars, and of course millions of dollars, I think it's going to be less and less volatile. So when we enter these, bear cycles, I do believe we're gonna see Bitcoin being less volatile, meaning we're not gonna see huge crashes. That's just personally my opinion, right? In the future, I really do believe Bitcoin's gonna be less volatile for sure. Bitcoin is still early, guys. It's been around for over 15 years. If you really think about it, it is very, very early. Okay, it really, really is. Oh yeah, I want to show you guys this as well, because Ledger, right? I told you guys many times, you should really get a hardware wallet. Store your crypto offline, okay? And right now, Ledger, Okay, and this is not a sponsored video or anything like this, right? I wish I was sponsored by Ledger, but I'm not. Okay. Um, they are doing a amazing sale right now, a great deal right now for their hardware wallets, right? So you also clearly see they came out with the new Ledger Flex and Stacks, right? But get the Flex. I think Flex is fine too. And right now they're having a Black Friday sale, guys, and it's looking amazing, right? I don't have the Flex myself. I have the Nano X. That's just personally what I use as of right now. I have the Nano S Plus as well, but I mainly use the Nano X, of course, because it's better. It's Bluetooth. But yeah, they are having a Black Friday deal right now, and I think it's absolutely amazing. I don't want you guys to miss this, especially for the people out there that don't have a hardware wallet and you're planning on buying it. I think you should get this deal because it's amazing. So you'll buy this Flex and you'll get $70 of Bitcoin with your Ledger Flex. $70 worth of Bitcoin just free, just like that. I think that's a great deal, right? Who knows? This $70 worth of Bitcoin can be worth thousands of dollars in the future, right? So realistically, it's free money if you really think about it, right? So this is a great deal. Um, what else? Also, the Ledger, right? Whoa, let's have a look. Black Friday deals. So yeah, you'll get $7 of Bitcoin with your new Ledger Flex for free. Like I said, okay, it could be worth way more than that, than $7, right? And of course, look at this. This is amazing. Get up to 40% off on your Ledger Nano X. Only with these colors, these three colors, right? The purple, and this color, like this purple, like orange, white color, and this green, like light green color slash blue. 40% off, guys. That is amazing. Okay, only with these colors, right? If you want the normal colors, unfortunately, I don't think it will work. Only for those colors, yeah. You guys can clearly see that, right? So 40% off for these three colors, which I think is a deal that you cannot miss. So if you are someone out there that wants a hardware wallet, like you're planning on buying a hardware wallet, I think you should honestly go for this Black Friday deal. And supplies last until December 5th. So you have a couple of days left. Like a couple of weeks left, sorry. Yeah. So I think it's a great deal, in my opinion. I think it really, really is. Ledger Flex, I don't even have one yet. Should I buy one? I don't know. I don't even need it, to be honest. But we'll see. We'll see. We'll see. I mean, $70 free Bitcoin. Oh, has the Bitcoin logo on the back? I did not realize that. That's actually pretty cool. The black, does it have it? No, it doesn't. Wow. Might have to get the orange one then. I mean, $70 of free Bitcoin. Why not? So yeah, if you guys don't have a hardware wallet and you're planning on buying one, check out the Ledger Black Friday sale because I think it's worth it for sure. So that's that. All right, let's have a look at Bitcoin. 1 minute time frame. Oh wait, hold up. Uh, Wait, what am I doing? Okay. All right. 97.8. It really is not moving tonight, guys. Bitcoin is just teasing us right now. It really, really is just teasing us. I don't know when we will hit a 100k Bitcoin, but I don't think it's going to happen today or tonight. Okay, unfortunately. But tomorrow, there's huge potential that that can happen. Okay, so be prepared for that because I think it will happen tomorrow. If it doesn't happen tonight, today, it's gonna happen tomorrow, 100%. Okay, so be patient, guys. It's fine. Like I said, okay, this is to be expected that we don't see Bitcoin reaching $100,000 tonight. Um, Wait 1 second. Hmm. That is crazy. All right, let's have a look. What is Bitcoin doing right now? So we know it's breaking down. 15-minute time frame. Yeah, it is breaking down. Will it go back up though? Right? Because last time, okay, we saw this yesterday. Bitcoin did break down right over here. Okay, you guys can clearly see that. But then once it broke down, okay, and it hit that bottom, it just recovered back up to the upside. Right? You guys can clearly see that. So will we see the same thing? It's breaking down right now. Will we see like a V-shaped recovery? And this time, will it bounce up to like 99K and of course going back up to 99.5 and then eventually $100,000 because this is the target that we want to see, right? Like it's so close, guys. Like Bitcoin is just so close to $100,000 that it's not even funny, and it's just struggling right now, right? It's just struggling right now to reach that 100K mark, right? Like this is all we want to see, guys. The six figs, okay, Bitcoin in the six figs. That's all we want to see, right? And it seems like it's not gonna happen today. Most likely, this will happen. Most likely tomorrow, unfortunately. But hey, that is fine, right? That is completely fine. XRP right now is dropping. Yeah, it's still pretty good though. Like XRP is still up a fair bit today. It really is. Like, look at how much XRP has pumped. It's crazy, right? So XRP is free, and this is to be expected, right? Like, ever since Gary Gensler, okay, did resign, XRP has just been pumping, obviously. And obviously today, when it was confirmed that he is officially resigning, we saw XRP absolutely pumping over like 20%, which was insane, right? So yeah, XRP is free. As I told you guys, once Ripple wins this lawsuit and XRP becomes like free, okay, and Ripple becomes free, we're gonna see a pump. And here we are. XRP is absolutely skyrocketing, and a lot of people are in fact saying XRP is gonna pump to like $100, $200, $500, $589. I don't know, like what that price is. $589 for an XRP. That's insane. But yeah, I think XRP will print a lot of millionaires for sure. This bull run, who knows? Can XRP go back up to its previous highs? There is potential. Since XRP, it's free. We don't have Gary Gensler anymore, right? Because he knows he's against like crypto, especially XRP, saying it's a security when it's really not. Yeah, it's gonna pump, right? XRP, I think it will has I think it has potential to go back up to its previous highs and of course reach a new all-time high this bull cycle. I think that is very possible. It's getting a bit hot. Pepe. Damn, Pepe has pumped a lot, guys. It's pumped a fair bit, Pepe. And of course, Pepe pumped because of Coinbase and Binance, I believe, listing it on their exchanges. So now you can trade Pepe on those exchanges. So that's why we aren't seeing Pepe. We did see Pepe having this pump. And I wish I held my Pepe because it did pump a fair bit. All right, let's have a look at Bitcoin. 15-minute time frame, 1 minute time frame. 97.9 right now, looking pretty good. All right, let's have a look. Let's see what's happening right now with Bitcoin. How much more do we need to see it like go up? Wow, it is so close, guys. Like Bitcoin is just so close to reaching $100,000. It's not even funny, and it's just struggling. Like, why is Bitcoin struggling to reach $100,000. You know, we saw Bitcoin reaching like 80K to 90K like it was nothing, and it can't even break out of $100,000. It's crazy. It seems like a lot of people are just, they don't want to see Bitcoin reaching $100,000. Who knows, right? But it is not looking that great right now. But hey, like I said, guys, okay, during the stream, we all wanted to see Bitcoin reaching $100,000. We all wanted to see Bitcoin in the six figs, right? But this is what we're getting so far. Okay. But like I said, if it doesn't happen today, then most likely it's going to happen tomorrow, right? So most likely it's going to happen tomorrow. So we will just have to see, guys. Okay, it's all about patience. At least the plus I don't have to drink, right? I don't have to bring out the red label because I don't like alcohol. But that's, might as well drink just to celebrate, right, with Bitcoin reaching a crazy milestone, $100,000. If Bitcoin, guys, understand, if Bitcoin, like if I go to sleep and we see Bitcoin like the next morning, like at $100,000, because I'm guessing that's gonna happen, like I'll be pissed. I really would be pissed. It's okay. Times are tough, right? I mean, this is a great time to buy Bitcoin before it reaches $100,000, right? Get your Bitcoins, guys, right? Buy as much as you possibly can before we see Bitcoin reaching $100,000, because as soon as we see Bitcoin reaching $100,000 and higher, it's going to go much, much higher, right? Like I showed you guys, right? With the Fibonacci retracement level, right? Something like this, okay? When we see Bitcoin, okay, let me show you guys this one. When we see Bitcoin reaching 100K, the next target is $110,000. I really do believe that this is going to happen. Oops. That we're going to see Bitcoin, okay, going from 100K and then it's going to straight up like break out to $110,000. I think that is very, very possible. And this is going to happen, right? So that's that. All right, guys, look at the time. 11:59 p.m. It's about to reach 12 a.m. and no joke, I gotta be up tomorrow at like 5:30 in the morning. Right. So guys, please give this video a thumbs up if you guys haven't already. Okay. I really would appreciate that. And of course, subscribe to the channel if you guys haven't already. That is always appreciated as well. But I am doing this for you guys. Okay. We all want to see Bitcoin reaching $100,000. And I really do believe we will get that. But yeah, I really do have to be up like in the next 5 hours, which is insane, but that's fine. Okay. Typically I am a morning person. Okay. That's what you guys understand, right? If you guys don't know anything about me, I am a morning person. I like to get up, early in the morning and get my day started early. I don't like waking up late. I'm talking like 8 a.m., 7 a.m. I hate waking up late. And you guys might think that's crazy, right? That I think waking up at 8 a.m. to 7 a.m. is like kind of late. I like waking up when it's like 5 a.m. to like 5:30 a.m. That's just me though, right? I just like waking up early, knowing that everyone's still asleep and I can get stuff done early, right? That's just me though. So I am a morning person. I like waking up early in the morning. But when I wake up in the next, I don't know, when I have to, I don't know if I'm gonna pull an all-nighter. But nah, I probably won't, guys. I have to get some rest. But when I do wake up, I know I'm not gonna be feeling the best, so I might have to drink some coffee. And I don't drink coffee, guys. I don't really drink caffeine too much. Like energy drinks, I don't drink too much of it. Look at Bitcoin, $97,500 right now. It is going down, guys. It is not. It is not looking too good for Bitcoin as of right now. Okay, but I see you well after $104,000. Yes, most likely, maybe. Because I know, guys, once I go to bed, maybe tomorrow when I wake up, we will see Bitcoin at $100,000. Okay. And the next time I go live will most likely be in the afternoon tomorrow. Right. In the next, like, mm, 14 hours, 15 hours, which is a very, very long time. I think in the next like few hours, Bitcoin's going to be at 100K for sure. But right now, it is dropping. Okay. It is not looking too good right now for Bitcoin. It really, really isn't. I am surprised you're still here, Marco. I appreciate you, brother. 97.7. It's gone back up slightly. Still down a fair bit though. Okay, what's happening with the crypto market? Okay, global crypto market cap going slightly down right now, 3.27 trillion, and overall the market so far is up slightly, like 1%. That is crazy. Um, Let me just check something real quick, guys. Oh wow. All right, Bitcoin's going up 97.9, 98K. Is it coming? Is it coming? Let it pump, let it pump. All right. Bitcoin is about to go back up to $98,000. Looking pretty good right now. You know what? I'm glad, guys. I'm glad that I at least caught Bitcoin reaching as high as $99,400. I didn't catch it reaching 99.5, but I did, catch it reaching $99,400. Right. So understand, guys, these moments right now, guys, what we are facing right now for Bitcoin, okay? These moments are very, very important because the reason why I say it's important because these are the last moments that we're going to see Bitcoin below $100,000. Okay, this is going to be the last moments we're going to see Bitcoin below 100K, and then eventually, right, once it reaches 100K and higher, I don't think, when we see Bitcoin reaching 150, 180, over $200,000 to over $300,000, I don't think we will see Bitcoin ever again back down below $100,000. Understand that, guys, right? So even right now, I don't see Bitcoin going back down to like 60K. Those days are over, right? 60K, 50K, 40K, and lower. Those days are officially gone, right? We're never ever going to see Bitcoin back down at those levels. Okay, I want you guys to understand that, right? So it's a very, very crucial time right now if you really think about it, okay, for Bitcoin. Okay, these are going to be the last few hours for Bitcoin to be below $100,000. Okay, and then once we see Bitcoin, rising to 100K and breaking this level, it's just gonna break out, right? And then of course, eventually, like I showed you guys with that chart, the Fibonacci retracement level, right, is gonna reach to $110,000. Okay, that's like the next level that we've got to keep an eye on because I think it's going to happen. Once we see Bitcoin reaching 100K, we're going to see a clear breakout and it's going to lead Bitcoin to $110,000 at least. At least. Okay. So that is that. Oh. All right. So it feels like Bitcoin is just gone back down and right now it's just consolidating at this level below $98,000 right now in the 15-minute time frame. 15-minute time frame. Oh, that was a 1 minute time frame. Yeah, it's pretty much just, it's not really moving right now. 97.6. Wow. Yeah, Bitcoin is just teasing us at this moment. It really, really is teasing us, isn't it? It's insane. It's insane. What else is there? I mean, buy some Bitcoin, guys, right? Bitcoin is dropping right now. I think it's a good time to buy. It really, really is. Take these few hours, next few hours, these last few hours to buy Bitcoin below 100K. Okay, because this is going to be your very last moment to buy Bitcoin below $100,000. And trust me, when Bitcoin is beyond $100,000, you're going to be begging for Bitcoin to be going back down to like $97,000, where it is right now. So please take this as an opportunity to buy as much as you possibly can right now, because we're gonna see Bitcoin just skyrocket. Once we see Bitcoin at 100K, we're gonna see a breakout. Okay, and from there on, a lot of people will be begging for a $97,000 Bitcoin. Trust me. Ethereum hasn't really been moving, I must say. Still a great time to buy some Ethereum, to be honest. It's not too far from its previous all-time highs, though. Yeah, it really isn't. Yeah, Ethereum is still looking pretty good. It really, really is. Yeah. Solana going back down. We know Solana did obviously reach back up to its previous highs and of course reach a new high. So it's looking pretty good right now for Solana. Yeah. Wow, Bitcoin is not looking too great. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Okay, it's going down. Just going down. $97,400, guys, for Bitcoin. Is this what? Is this what? Oh, shoot. Okay. I might have to turn this off. Turn off my ring light because it is getting hot. That is hot. Okay. You guys can still see me though, so that's all that matters. $97,500, guys. Oh man, it seems like we're gonna see Bitcoin reaching $100,000 tomorrow, guys. Okay. I literally thought, guys, that we were 100% gonna see Bitcoin reaching $100,000 tonight, today, right? But it seems like it's gonna happen tomorrow. Okay, pretty much today, right? It's 12 a.m. So pretty much today. So that's fine. Okay, that is completely fine. All right, let's put this on full screen. Okay, there we go. That's better. Yeah. All right. Um. Oh, flashbang. All right, guys. Yeah, it's not looking too good right now. The volume for Bitcoin is not looking too strong. But hopefully, Bitcoin can reach $100,000 at least today. I really want to see Bitcoin reaching $100,000 today. I don't want to see it reaching it tomorrow or anything like that. I want to see a 100K Bitcoin by today at least. That's all I'm saying. Okay, I really was hoping we would see it today. Yesterday, sorry, but it didn't happen. So hopefully today, sometime today, in the afternoon or tonight, we will see Bitcoin reaching $100,000. Okay, so today is hopefully the day that we do see that. Okay, hopefully. Um, Okay, so I did a poll. Will Bitcoin reach 100K today? 100% of you guys said yes. That is crazy. No one said no. But here we are. Bitcoin is still below $98,000. Not even close to 100K. I mean, it is pretty close, right? If you really think about it, it is actually pretty close. It's really not like too far off from reaching $100,000. Yeah, Bitcoin can easily reach 100K. You know, like for the past few weeks, guys, like ever since we had the US election, we know Bitcoin can move like crazy. Like ever since we had the US election, Bitcoin has been moving like crazy, especially that week alone for the US election. Bitcoin was reaching a new all-time high like every single day, right? So Bitcoin can easily reach $100,000 in the next like few hours. It can. I know it can. I've seen Bitcoin move like crazy. It's just teasing us right now. Okay, it literally is just teasing us right now. It can move, guys. I still have faith that yes, I really do believe by today we will see Bitcoin at $100,000. I think that is very very possible, 100%. Oh, flashbang. All right, $97,800. Can we see Bitcoin going back up to $99,000? Can we see that? Yes, we can. Not too far off from that. Um, XRP still above 140. Pepe still consolidating. Solana right now, $255. Down slightly today right now. As of right now, Solana's slightly down. Great time to buy some, in my opinion. All right, can we see Bitcoin going back up to $98,000 to $99,000? Is that possible? We will just have to find out. But what a great time to be alive, guys, right? Like Bitcoin is about to make history, right? It really, really is about to make history. History is in the making right now for Bitcoin, right? It really, really is. Oh, this is wow, that is hot. All right. Still, a lot of you guys are saying that Bitcoin will reach $100,000 today. And yeah, I agree. I think today, okay, is the day. Since yesterday, we didn't see Bitcoin reaching $100,000. Right now, we're not seeing it. Later on today, fingers crossed, we do see Bitcoin finally reaching that 100K mark. Because I really do believe it's very, very possible. Like, Bitcoin is not too far off. Bitcoin right now is literally just teasing us, teasing all of us. I know a lot of you guys want to see a 100K Bitcoin, including me, right? But it's not going to happen. Okay, it's not going to happen anytime soon as of right now. But I really do believe hopefully today, later on today, like this afternoon or by tonight, we will see Bitcoin reaching 100K at least. And I'll be very, very pissed. I'll be pissed if we do see Bitcoin at 100K once I wake up, like in the next few hours. So I hope it doesn't reach 100K when I'm not streaming, but I have a bad feeling that it will. because I know once I'm sleeping, that's when Bitcoin is gonna be, reaching $100,000. All right, if Bitcoin does not go back up to $98,000, guys, because I am looking at this right now and Bitcoin is not looking like it has moved back up to like 98K in the last like 30 minutes, over 30 minutes. So if I don't see Bitcoin going back up to 98K in the next 10 minutes, I will end this stream. Okay, and I will be coming back live. Don't you guys worry. As promised, I will, drink, right? Bring the red label, okay, Johnny Walker, and I will drink, okay, just to celebrate Bitcoin reaching a great milestone of $100,000. But sadly, we didn't see that as of right now tonight, okay, but hopefully later on today we do see that happening, okay. So if we don't see Bitcoin reaching $98,000 in the next 10 minutes, I will end the stream. Okay, so we will just have to see. I don't know why Bitcoin is struggling this much to even reach back up to like $99,000. I think when I started the stream, we actually saw Bitcoin, I think it was just below $99,000, I believe. I think it like hit $99,000 and then it just went back down. Maybe it was just below $99,000. I can't remember. I really thought today would be the day that we actually see Bitcoin reaching $100,000, but I guess not. But that's fine. Hopefully later on today we do see that magical $100,000, because that will be absolutely fantastic to see, guys. Okay, that will be insane. Right, I'm gonna give it a few more minutes. If we don't see Bitcoin breaking at least back up to 98K, I'm gonna end the stream, because I do, like I said, have to wake up like 5 in the morning. Right now it's like 12 in the morning. All right, 15-minute time frame. Yeah, it's still down, guys. Right, y'all should clearly see that it is still down. Oh. Yeah. It's still down. 1 hour time frame, yeah, it's going down. Maybe looking at this now, looking at the 1 hour time frame, maybe we do see Bitcoin, coming back down to like this level of $96,000, and then maybe we'll like consolidate. I really don't know like how much lower it will go, but right now we're obviously seeing Bitcoin going down, right? Like it was going up, okay, y'all clearly see that it was actually going up, okay, but now obviously it's breaking down and it's gone back down to the downside. So who knows where Bitcoin will be heading in the next few hours. But yeah, I don't think we're gonna see a 100K Bitcoin anytime soon, thinking about it now. Oh, flashbang. $97.3. Yeah, this is gone. I think it is confirmed that we won't see Bitcoin reaching a new all-time high tonight. But that is fine. It's all about patience, guys. Okay, it really, really is. I just wanted to go live and just hopefully to catch Bitcoin reaching, that magical $100,000. But it seems like it's not going to happen this stream. And this was literally my second attempt today on trying to go live and catch Bitcoin reaching $100,000. But I don't think it's going to, do that. And by the way, guys, most likely, right, when I end this stream and I go to bed, I probably won't be able to sleep because I'll be on my phone looking at the chart, right? So think about it now. What's the point of going to bed? Might as well pull an all-nighter, right? I'm just joking. I can't do that. I need to get some sleep, guys, because today, like all day, I've just been literally, I promise you guys, like when I tell you guys this, I promise you guys, like I've just been looking at the Bitcoin chart, like pretty much all day today. Okay. And I only left the house for like 40 minutes. Okay. And then I came back and just kept looking at the chart because I was hoping that we will see Bitcoin reaching $100,000. But that's fine, guys. It may sound like I'm sad right now, okay, of Bitcoin not reaching 100K as of right now, but don't worry because I'm not sad, okay. I know Bitcoin will eventually, go back up to, 100K eventually sometime today. Hopefully, fingers crossed, right? Don't mark my words on that, guys. Don't mark my words, but I'm hoping that we do see Bitcoin reaching at least 100K sometime today, right? Later on today. Fingers crossed, okay? And as promised, yes, when I see Bitcoin reaching 100K, okay, maybe I'll go live and Bitcoin will be well over $100,000, who knows? Either way, I'll drink, okay? I will drink for you guys, okay? Just to celebrate Bitcoin reaching this amazing milestone, right? Because this is obviously history in the making, right? Bitcoin reaching $100,000. Just think about that. That is insane. So that is that. All right. I'm gonna get a flashbang. Whoops. That is bright. Um. Okay. Let me just have a look at one more thing. Wow. This is like a flashbang, guys. I probably look like a ghost right now. Okay. 97.6. Yeah, we're not gonna go back up to 90K. That's for sure. Looking at this now. Alright, let's refresh this. Memes are down. Yeah. Global crypto market has dropped now slightly. 3.26 trillion market today. Overall, 1%. Up 1%. Wow, look at this meme coin. What the hell is going on? This meme coin is for sure gonna drop like crazy in the next few hours at least. It's up over 500% right now. What the hell? A lot of these memes, guys, have been pumping like crazy. I think this meme coin literally just got created yesterday, and look, it's already up 500%. Market cap 2 million. That is insane. That's actually crazy. Um, Trending coins. Let's have a look at this. What is trending? What's happening right now? What is going up? XRP 26%, still looking pretty good for XRP, holding strong above $1.4. Cardano 13%, holding strong just below 90 cents, pretty much at 90 cents. HBAR 8%. Wow, look at this meme, guys. Almost 500% today, right? This meme coin, and the market cap right now is at 2 million. That's insane. Do not FOMO into this meme coin, guys. I'm telling you guys that right now. Eventually, this meme coin will crash. Trust me. When we see a meme coin or any other altcoin pumping like over 100% at least, it's gonna have a correction. What is this, mad? It's up 50% right now. 50%. Market cap 50 million. Much higher than the other one. Wow, it has pumped a fair bit. Past month up 420%. Wow, that is crazy. This has pumped a fair bit. I'm guessing it's a Solana meme coin. There's a coin called Ego. What is this? Oh, it's down a fair bit. Alright, what is Bitcoin doing? 97.3, just below 97.3. Alright, I don't think we're gonna hit $98,000, guys, which means I'm gonna end the stream, unfortunately. Okay, and we didn't see Bitcoin reaching $100,000. But like I said, guys, don't you guys worry. Okay, we will eventually see Bitcoin reaching 100K, but just not in this stream. And I know this is gonna happen because this always happens. When I end the stream, okay, and I go to bed, most likely when I wake up, Bitcoin is going to be at 100K. I'm hoping that does not happen because I really want to catch Bitcoin reaching $100,000. But I just have a very, very good feeling that, Bitcoin will reach $100,000. Okay, but I most likely will miss it when Bitcoin reaches 100K. But that is totally fine. Okay, that is completely fine. We tried, guys. Okay, we tried at least. You know what we at least caught, guys, for Bitcoin. Okay, at least we caught it reaching 99. Okay, all the way from $99,400, and then it went up to $99,500, which we did catch. Okay, we did in fact see Bitcoin reaching a new all-time high of $99,500 at least. Okay, and you guys clearly see right now it's dropping back down, but don't you worry, it will eventually bounce back up to 98 to 99, and then eventually its previous all-time highs of $99,500, and then the magical $100,000. And I really do believe hopefully that will happen later on today. So that being said, guys, okay, Bitcoin right now $97,400. It is not looking that great. But don't worry, Bitcoin will reach back up to its previous highs, okay, 99.5, and it will reach a new high of $100,000 later on today. So that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and end this stream right now, guys. Thank you guys so much for the support. Okay, and as of right now, this is officially the longest stream ever on my YouTube channel, right? Over 2 hours, almost 3 hours long. Okay, so thank you guys so much for joining. Thank you guys so much for the comments, the support, the likes. I'll see you guys. I know exactly who you guys are, so thank you so much. And the next time that I go live, which will be later on today, most likely we will see Bitcoin at $100,000. And as promised, right? As promised, I will go ahead and celebrate by drinking some Red Label with you guys. I'm going to bring out Johnnie Walker, okay, and we're going to hopefully enjoy it, but I won't enjoy it because, like I said, I am not a drinker, okay, but I will try my best, okay, to celebrate and do that with you guys, okay, because this is a great milestone. When we see Bitcoin reaching 100K, you got to do something special, right? So I will go ahead and bring that out and drink, right? So that is the promise. So that being said, guys, thank you guys so much for the support, okay? Bitcoin later today, hopefully it will reach $100,000, but right now it's currently at $97,300. It is not looking too good. Look at this, guys, right? It is not looking too good at all right now for Bitcoin, okay? It really, really isn't. But like I said, that is okay. Hopefully later on today, we do see Bitcoin reaching $100,000. Like, guys, it was teasing us. We saw Bitcoin so close, just like less than $500 away from reaching 100K. And then it just dropped back down. Look at it. Like, it's literally teasing us, guys. Okay, it really, really is. But don't you guys worry. It will eventually bounce back up to its previous highs of 99.5, and it will reach a new high of 100K later on today. I promise you guys that will happen, and it better happen. Okay, so that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and end the stream. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Give a thumbs up, subscribe, stay tuned. I will be going live once again, okay, later on today, so stay tuned for that. Thank you guys so much for the support. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you guys are Bitcoiners, if you guys are in fact, Bitcoin investors or traders, or even just in general in the crypto space. Please right? Please consider subscribing, because every single day I do talk about Bitcoin. I give you guys updates, what's happening with Bitcoin, what's happening around the crypto space. So if you guys are in fact crypto investors or traders, please consider subscribing, right? Let's make that money together. Let's build generational wealth together. I really would appreciate that. Okay, so that being said, hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll catch you guys all in my next video. Have a good one, guys.